The pursuit doesn't end. Like when you win an event, come Monday morning, it's where's the next race? You know what I'm saying? Like there's no, I'm not celebrating for 2 weeks. You know what I mean? Like yeah, we're gonna celebrate that night, but come Monday morning, it's back to work. It's where's the next event? When am I leaving? And how can I put myself in the best position to win that event as well?
Bracket racing.